Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Whispr AI, an AI that replaces typing on your keyboard to just pressing a button and speaking directly. So you can see, don't type, just speak. Okay, the voice to text AI that turns speech into clear, polished writing in every application. It cut across all of these applications. Once you click on it, it's going to just go ahead and start. Okay, it's professional everywhere to speed up their thoughts. It's now collaborating with all of this, and what this means is that typing sometimes it requires you to think and then to coordinate your fingers to type accordingly on the keyboard, and sometimes you make mistakes and you have to go back and forth and so on. But with just speaking, you don't have to think much, you just utter the words. So what this means is that if you are typing at 45 words per minute, speaking with this tool can give you faster typing, like 4x, okay, like faster. So you can go ahead and flow at like 220 words per minute if you're just speaking rather than just typing. Okay, so to use this is very cool and it's very easy. I've tried it and it works perfectly. So you can see the different features. You just have to just identify where you want to use it, select a language and go ahead and download. For Mac, it has detected that this is for Mac, and if you want for Windows or iOS, you can just go ahead and download and install. I've downloaded and installed mine, and let me just show you how I'm using it. So when I'm here, I just need to press the space bar to start talking in my Slack. Hello, this is just a question about the use of this particular AI tool, Whispr. Can you tell me more about it? You can see it has just inputted everything that I just talked about. Very straight and very accurate. And then once you hit, it's just a mini chat and you're going to hear a response. Flow is great, okay? It's all the time and it really helps with my productivity. All right, can you just tell me more about it? What is it and what does it do? All right, so it's perfect, and then you can just send and you have this direct chat. Flow is great. I use it all the time to boost my productivity. Well, that's good, but we're kind of repetitive. All right, so that's on this. You can try on other applications and then see. So let's skip this, and then you can write an email as well with this. So let me just go ahead quickly and write an email. So subject, you have to write the subject. Okay, so let's go ahead, hold down, and then you write, hello, thank you very much for writing me. I want to respond to your email by saying yes, it's possible we can collaborate on that particular AI tool, and I'm going to make a complete tutorial video about this. Now the thing is, I do charge a token before I deliver a review, product review. I do charge, and I'm going to send you my invoice so that you can understand how I charge and what I charge for a particular 5 to 7 minutes video. And then I may need other details like the registration link and so on. So this is just for your information. Let me know what your company policy is and how we can work together on this. And once I release, you can see it has written a complete email. Hello Greg, thank you very much for writing me. I want to respond to your email by saying yes, it's possible we can collaborate on that particular AI tool. And you can see the wonders it has given us. You know, the email is very intact and complete. So let's go to the next one. You can whisper a note, okay, so you can write notes. So take a note of these items because I'm going for my shopping. I will intend to buy all of these from the shopping mall. Number one is I'm going to buy a cap, and then I'm going to buy 2 perfumes, I'm going to buy a pen, and I'm going to buy a phone for myself. And then lastly, I'm going to buy some chocolates and sweets for my children. Thank you. And take a look at the wonders. It has arranged them perfectly. These items, because I'm going for my shopping, I intend to buy all of these from the shopping mall. I'm going to buy a cap, 2 perfumes, buy a pen, buy a phone for myself and so on. Thank you. Take a look at the arrangement and how it numbered all the things that I'm going to buy. So this is next level. Try to download it and see how you can use it for your own content. The key thing is you can just go ahead and explore it and see how you can use it to your own content. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.